Hello, my name is Adriana Ross, and I just wanted to take the time to introduce myself and to tell you about my workshop to a successful maid service. The workshop consists of solid content to give you an idea of how to start a maid service and also how to run a successful maid service business. I suggest anyone looking to start a maid service or already running one to go through the workshop. It will give you a true, clearly defined idea of what a successful maid service should be. Why the free workshop? The wonderful people at the Small Business Development Center, which is also part of the Small Business Administration, have asked me to put together a comprehensive workshop on how to start a maid service business. If you cannot make it to my workshop, which is at the local SBDC Center here in Dallas, then here is your opportunity to check out the same workshop online. And as always, if you have any questions, you are welcome to email me at adriana@cleaningserviceu.com. Thank you.